You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Welcome to Lucky Penny Shop. Today we're going to show you this Melissa and Doug sounds puzzle. It's the train version. It's made out of wood. When you lift the pieces, you will hear a sound, and it's the same for every piece, but let's listen to a few. Alright, that's the Melissa and Doug sound puzzle. It's the train, and it's made out of wood. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.